Long ago, in the endless sea of the north, there lived a fish named Coon. Coon was so vast that no one knew where he began, or where he ended. For years he swam in the dark water. Then one day he rose, and he became a bird. His name was Peng. When Peng opened his wings, they covered the sky like a cloud. Far to the south lies a lake of heaven. Peng chose to fly there. He waited for the sea wind to rise. He climbed the great current, turning 90,000 li into the sky. Then he turned south. A small bird in the grass by the shore looked up. "Why fly so high?" said the small bird. "Why fly so far?" "I go from this tree to that tree. When I am tired I rest in the grass. Is that not enough?" Peng did not answer. He only climbed. The small bird watched for a while, then went back to playing among the trees he knew. The small bird does not know the lake of heaven. He does not know the wind at 90,000 li. And Peng does not know why the little woods are enough. They do not see the same world.